This institute teaches you to learn the Quran in just 365 days. Yes, that's right. This is Huda Institute for Men. Located in the beautiful capital of Pakistan, Islamabad, Huda Institute for Men offers its flagship program Taleem Quran once every year. Students from different cities of Pakistan and all over the world come here every year to learn and study Quran. After graduating, they are able to understand the Quran word by word, understand basics of fiqh and seerah. During this program, students have chance to meet and learn from eminent international scholars. Skill building workshops are held on monthly basis where top trainers and experts conduct their sessions. AIM focuses on conceptual based learning and encourages its students to research and exchange ideas. Sports activities and outdoor recreation trips are essential part of program, which encourages teamwork and competitive mindset. You can also join AIM by dedicating 1 year of your life to learn the Book of Allah. Huda Institute for Men.
Quran for all.
In every hand, in every heart.